Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CAD to make a website. CAD is an excellent, free platform designed for creating simple, responsive, one-page websites quickly and efficiently. You can select from over 100 professionally designed templates, or if you prefer, start completely fresh with a blank canvas. These sites are ideal for showcasing portfolios, building effective landing pages, or crafting personal profiles. It's incredibly user-friendly. Once you've chosen your starting point, the fun begins with designing your site. You can select a template that perfectly aligns with your project's aesthetic and purpose. CAD's intuitive tools allow you to easily customize elements such as text, images, and backgrounds. You can also add various content blocks, including contact forms, image galleries, and embedded media, making your site dynamic and engaging for visitors. For those looking to dive deeper, CAD offers robust customization options. You can fine-tune your site by adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing to perfectly match your brand identity. It also supports integrating third-party services, such as MailChimp for email lists or Stripe for payments, enhancing your site's functionality. Plus, you can use a custom domain, giving your website a professional and memorable web address. Finally, launching your website is incredibly straightforward. With just one click, your completed site goes live on the web, ready for the world to see. While the free version is powerful, CAD also offers premium features for those needing enhanced analytics, more sites, or advanced site management. Don't forget to share your beautiful new website across your social media and professional networks to maximize its reach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.